Hello, gorillas. I'm your boy, Chef Perry, the vegan gorilla. I'm going to give you a little hack that I use, a little lemon hack, the lemon hack. What I do is, especially in the summertime or when these go on sale a lot, get excess amount of these. So what I do is I chop them up and I put them in a little Ziploc bag, throw it in the freezer. And then when I'm on my way out, I grab my water container or a fresh glass in the house if I want, pop one in, and I got a nice lemon that eventually melts down and gives me that lemon citrusy flavor and gives you all the benefits of having fresh lemon water, especially nice overnight. What I'll do is I'll put it in my water before I go to bed. That way I wake up, it's nice and cold. First thing I do before I get to bed, chug a good glass full of water, and it gets everything going, and we're on the road. All right, so basically just no real directions to this. Cutting board, knife, and lemon. So, got the tip off there. You can do these in smaller pieces if you want to make it last more. I do it in just fours. Oh, you get 4 nice cups of water. Don't blink, this is a fast video. Zippy locky, lockety boo. 1, 2. Squeeze some air out. That wasn't it. That's it. Toss this in the freezer. And done. Got one already ready here. Nice. You can smell the citrus, eh? It's nice. There's something about nice fresh lemon water. Just water itself is probably my favorite drink to have. Really gives you the best quench. But a little bit of lemon in there. It's awesome. So give it a shot. Slice up some lemons or limes, throw them in the freezer, and you can pick them anytime you want. They last in there for a few months or longer probably. Take one, pop it in your water. You have to worry about putting ice cubes in and stuff, and you can just have a nice little answer. All right. Anyways, have a nice day. Enjoy the rest of the summer. What's left of it. We're almost done. Anyways, I'll see you soon. Don't forget to put that love in your lemons. And if I don't see you again, or when I do see you again, namaste. Much love. Deep. Great.